Hi there, how are you doing? I'm having a super day because I have decided to bring my studio outdoors to Aero City, and as you can see, this entire space has become a gadget heaven quite literally. So what's happening here? Intel is showcasing its 12th gen Intel Core series of processors H और H Plus, जिनमें है superior performance, गेमिंग के हिसाब से बहुत अच्छे हैं एंड दे परफेक्ट फॉर कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स. बट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली कैन कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम दीज प्रोसेसर्स? क्या एग्जैक्टली क्या है इन प्रोसेसर्स में कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स के लिए, मेरे और शायद कुछ आप जैसे लोगों के लिए भी? चलिए जानते हैं इस वीडियो में. H processor है that is for office productivity, elite video gaming experience and of course creativity as well. But जो HX processor है that is the killer processor जो है बहुत ही superlative in terms of its performance. वो देता है आपको studio level productivity. More about that, let's talk to the big boss Akshay Kamath. Akshay, what's happening? I see you're playing a game.
Hi, yeah, I'm playing Gears 5.
Yeah. So tell me, what's in it for content creators like me?
I'm glad you asked that question. So our 12th gen platform, which I'm playing this game on, is the top of the line CPU that we have for both content creators as well as gamers. It comes with a maximum of 16 cores, 8 performance cores and 8 efficient cores. And thanks to the thread director technology we have, it gives the maximum performance, whether you're gaming, streaming and recording all at the same time. As far as content creators are concerned, you can do multitasking, right? So for example, if I'm a game developer, I can run Unreal Engine 5 and I can use it for example, doing a lighting effect in my latest game. And at the background, I can do rendering of in-game assets for my team to use. The geo mean of 19% performance improvement compared to the previous generation, right?
You know, so very interesting that you talk about the previous processors and how that compares to the current version. But if I could ask you, how is it different from competition in the market?
So we are very confident that our 12th gen Core i9 1200K is the best gaming processor on the planet. And I think there are a few things which we bring first to the table, right? So one is the performance hybrid architecture, and thanks to the thread director technology, that's what is a secret sauce. That's the magic that makes this happen. And what thread director does, right? It efficiently works with the Windows operating system scheduler to put the right thread on the right workload, right? So we are the first platform or first company to bring support for DDR5, which is the latest generation of memory, right? We are the first to support PCI Gen 5. It means that your system is future-proof for the next generation of graphic cards.
All right, thank you so much for that insightful chat, Akshay. And honestly, guys, I can't wait to try my hands on these latest processors. मैं wait नहीं कर सकती अपना next video इन processors के through edit करने के लिए. आपको कैसा लगा ये video? हमें please बताइए. और क्या देखना पसंद करेंगे आप Gadget Times पे? ये भी बताइए हमें comment section में. Thank you very much for watching. This is Sumita Kareer signing off.